typical ETF like SPY might be 2 basis points here or there. It's almost right on it. The Vietnam ETF could be 1%, right? So the more exotic the underlying, the higher the premium discount. Where do you expect these to land? And also in the spreads, which is the bid-ask spread, do you see these, as they get volume, coming down to 1 or 2 basis points?
I think the spreads are going to be really competitive and tight. Look, the market maker community is resilient, is prepared to offer a lot of liquidity for this structure and resiliency around it. So the spread width is not the concern. I think it's going to be the premium above NAV, because look, U.S. broker-dealers can't trade Bitcoin Cash inside their broker-dealer. Some can, most can't. And so you're going to have to hedge yourself with futures or trading at a premium, and then take that off. And I think that there's a lot of complexity there. So what I think, potentially, you could see 8% above fair value,
8%?
It'll be some crazy number.
That's a lot.
It's a big number, but let's see play out, right? Because look, you can't necessarily drive the arbitrage out. You can't trade Bitcoin directly. You'd be offshore to do it. And you're trading futures in real time. Futures are trading at a premium to spot. I think that there's an equation there to be played out, understood.
All right, Eric's heart rate just spiked. I felt it. I'm sure you guys did too. Let's talk a little bit more, though, about how this evolved. So, okay, right now it's cash creation redemption. We know that if you take a look at the SEC meeting minutes, those memos that maybe some of the issuers were pushing for in-kind here, do you think that the industry will evolve to that point where in-kind is possible?
Absolutely. I think that this was really just to get the ball moving, get everyone comfortable. And then the regulatory structure to trade cash inside of U.S. broker-dealers is not really here yet. So I think this was a win for the issuers, and the commission said, look, let's get something on the board here, and here we are. So look, that 8% number I said to you, I think that it's not going to trade at parity. It's going to be some premium to fair value. What that ultimately lands in, who knows? But the in-kind, I think, it'll come after climbing a couple of mountains.